हॅलो, आत्मनमस्ते एव्हरीवन. हाय, हॅलो. सो येस, स्पेशली हा व्हिडिओ का बनवत आहे मी तर आय वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर एव्हरीथिंग लाईक इन 2021. लाईक आय वॉज जस्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग अँड आय फाउंड दॅट मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स कसं होतं ना की नाव वी आर अवेअर ऑफ द एनर्जीज. आपल्याला माहिती आहे एनर्जीज म्हणजे काय आहेत किंवा त्या कशा काम करतात. दोज हू आर ॲक्च्युली रेग्युलर मेडिटेटर्स ऑल्सो कॅन फील इट, कॅन परसीव द एनर्जीज. But many of the time where we are getting stuck, that why things are happening around, or many of the times we try to get the solutions out of it, but we are not able to get the solutions out of it. And we start getting attacked, by some of the negative entities, negative thought forms, negative emotions. So I thought of why not to give you a very beautiful gift on this Christmas, and that gift will be the gift of aura healing, the gift of psychic protection. Okay, so this workshop will enable you in multiple dimensions. म्हणजे आता जसं आपल्याला असं वाटतंय की now I'm traveling somewhere and I need some kind of guide, I need some kind of spirit that can help me. Or sometimes I feel ki okay, things are okay around, but I want that it should get enhanced, it should get energized. और समटाईम्स आपल्याला असं होतं की आपल्याला कुठेतरी एका प्लेसवर जायचं असतं. वी आर नॉट व्हेरी वी डोंट लाईक दॅट प्लेस, और वी डोंट लाईक द व्हायब्रेशन्स ऑफ द प्लेस. देन हाऊ वी कॅन प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम सच काइंड ऑफ एंटिटीज, हाऊ वी कॅन टेक केअर ऑफ आवर ऑरा. सो जसं आता आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे की ऑरा इज जस्ट अ एनर्जी फील्ड that is around us in a beautiful structure. Okay, and if there are holes and cracks through our aura, then we also get impacted physically, financially, materially. So in many ways we get impacted by that. So psychic self defense, this course will actually give you fundamentals of psychic protection, like for example why the attacks happen and how this actually energy field works. Okay, then how to heal and strengthen your aura with certain symbols, as well as with without symbols, just by having the intention, how you can heal your aura or how you can protect your aura. Then we will also definitely include um what is aura, what are chakras, and what is the entire energy system that we are now connected to. Then psychic protections for sensitive and psychics. So basically, if you are kind of a healer who is actually healing, and so what kind of protections you should have, what kind of things that you should have. And then also for sensitives, for example kids, or any child, or any newborn baby, or your pet, your animals, your fishes. So those who are very sensitive to energy, how to protect them. Then we will also learn the techniques for psychic protection. For example, as multiple times you may have heard me saying cord cutting, or shielding, buffering, grounding. So we will also include this part. We will know a basics of negative entities, like what kind of entities are there, how they induce you, how they attack you, and how we will also learn how to escort them away. Okay, then cleaning of your aura with the fire. So how fire elemental is very much important in overall cleaning process. So that we will also learn how energetically clear your home. So now it happens with your aura, but you always get connected to your home. So unless and until you clean your environment, you will keep on attracting that energies. Then also we will learn how to connect to the spirit guides, how to connect to the uh, protection spirit guides specifically, and how to ask their help during certain period of time. And also I will send you certain animal wisdom, so animal spirits who help you in protection. So that also we will learn. So that has just come up while speaking. Then law of attraction and psychic protection. So we will also have the brief of how this protection works and what is the fundamental of it, what are the tools of it, what are the crystals that we will be using, what are the essences that we will be using, what are the essential oils that we can use, how without doing anything, how we can just circulate the energy for protection, that we will use. And then about psychic attacks and how to heal from it. So that is the main intention of it, so even if a person already got certain attacks, how we can heal that person. Okay, so why this healings came up, because now I'm in a regular consultation with people, and I found that the core of it is lies because you're not protecting your aura, or you're not keeping your vibrations at a high rate, high frequencies. So what if there are certain tools that can actually help you to protect yourself rather than asking for the help, you know so yes, this is a gift call, and it will be on 18th and 19th of December. So currently, so if you register today, you will get a 10% discount as a gift, and the fees I'm keeping it very low, so it would be just 3,700. Okay, so if you are wish and willing to choose this today. Okay, it we have made many choices this year. Okay, and I feel that this is the best choice that we can make, so that we can bring and have lots of awareness and lots of protection energies for our upcoming future. So thank you so much. Do enroll yourselves rather than asking for why me, and just keep your aura strong, keep your energy field amazingly high, and keep your awareness high. And always it based upon your consciousness. So choose this course if you feel light about it. So course timings will be 1 p.m. So we will start sharp at 1 and we will end sharp at 6. So this will be 2 days course, because we will be having lots of practice, lots of meditations, and many of the tools, which you may have not thought of. So lots of things are coming up. So yes, it's your choice. So thank you so much for being so wonderful and amazing souls and choosing this reality. Thank you. Bye bye.